morning. This is the fried dumplings that I made, and then ito yung steam. I-arrange ko yung fried dumpling dito later. Okay, for a while dahil may iba pa akong gagawin. Ayan yung kanyang baon for today. August 11. September 11. Oh my goodness. It's kaya ayan. Maingay pa yung ito yung kanyang prutas, apple at saka oranges, and then salad and fried at saka steam na dumplings, and as usual yung kanyang yogurt, and then ito yung sausawan ng kanyang dumplings. Gawa to ngayon lang talaga, baka sabihin ano na yan ha, ngayon lang yan gawa. And then here it is, a blessed Monday to us all, September 11, 2023. Thank you for watching guys. Maraming salamat. Kasi kung wala kayo, wala din. Kahit papano, maliit man yung bahay ng aking YouTube, at least nandyan kayo, pasilip-silip, may iba dyan, talagang loyal, kung baga parang yung sitwasyon natin na give and take sa ating panunood, pagsusupport sa atin. Kaya maraming salamat guys, kasi yun nga ang katwiran ko, kung wala kayo, wala din yan, hindi rin magmumove pa unti-unti yung aking YouTube. Okay? God bless us all. Thank you very much.